Welcome back. Today we're going to look at doubling. Firstly, what does double mean? Do you know? Double means adding numbers to themselves. So for example, if we wanted to double 3, we would take 3 and we would add another 3 to that, which would give us 6. Therefore, double 3 is 6. Let's look at another example. For instance, if George has 2 pencils and Mary has double the amount of pencils that George has, we need to take 2 pencils, add another 2 pencils, and that means that Mary has 4 pencils. So double 2 is 4. Try this one on your own. What is double 5? Let's see how you did. You take 5, you add another 5 to it, which gives you 10. Therefore, double 5 is 10. Well done. Now that you know what double means and how to double a single-digit number, I'm going to show you a way to double double-digit numbers a little bit easier. Let's take the number 12. If we want to double 12, a good way to start is to break the number up into tens and ones, or decompose the number, which is 12 equals 10 plus 2. Now that we've broken up the number, it makes it slightly easier to double. We are going to insert some thinking arrows. One thinking arrow under the 10 and another under the 2. These thinking arrows tell us that we need to double. Now we can start doubling. First, we're going to start with the 10. Double 10 is 20. We are going to write that underneath the first arrow. Next, we can double the 2. Double 2 is 4. We can write that under the second arrow. Now we can just add those two numbers together. 20 plus 4 equals 24. Isn't that a whole lot easier? Let's try another one. This time we're going to double 27. The first thing we need to do is decompose the number, or break the number up into tens and ones, which will be 27 equals 20 plus 7. Now that we've decomposed, we need to remember to draw in our thinking arrows. Our thinking arrows tell us that we want to double this number. We'll put one thinking arrow underneath 20 and the other underneath the 7. Now we can double. Let's start with the 20. Double 20 is 40, which we'll write underneath the first arrow. Then we can double the 7. Double 7 is 14, which we can write underneath the second arrow. Now we can add those two numbers together. 40 plus 14 equals 54. Therefore, double 27 equals 54. Why don't you try this one on your own? Can you double the number 24? Let's see how you did. First, you needed to decompose the number 24, which would have been 24 equals 20 plus 4. Then, you needed to add in your thinking arrows, one underneath the 20 and the other underneath the 4. These help to remind us that we are doubling. Now we can start doubling. First, we would have doubled the 20, which would have given us 40, and then we could have doubled the 4, which would have given us 8. Then all you had to do was add the 40 plus the 8, which would have given you 48. Therefore, double 24 is 48. Well done if you got that one right. Here's one more number for you to double on your own. Now I would like you to double the number 36. Let's check your answer. First, you needed to decompose 36, which would have been 36 equals 30 plus 6. Then you would have put in your 2 thinking arrows, which would remind you to double. Then you would have doubled 30, which would have given you 60, because 30 plus 30 is equal to 60. And then you would have doubled 6, which would give you 12. Now all you had to do was add the 60 plus the 12, which would have given you 72. Well done if you got that one right. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you had fun learning about doubling. Until next time, bye!